So we make a block, we resize it as we want it, and then we select it, go here on the properties, and lock can collide and unlock the unanswered, and then add to this exactly part attachment and add angular velocity. Here in angular velocity we enter in angular velocity 0 to 0, max torque 1 million or bigger, relative to attachment 0, and here on attachment we select this one, and hopefully this will work and rotate our block. That's it. Thank you.